Welcome everybody. My name is Mohit. I lead the workflow practice for ProHance, and I will give you a small feature description of why our product is so unique. If you're watching this video, this is because you have a specific need for workflow solution. Probably you're checking on internet what sort of workflow tools you have, and you sort of decide to watch my video. I will briefly talk about why it's unique, why it's meant for business processes, what are the key features, why it's so different from the different market products. Uh, to just give you a brief of what the product's true capability is, uh, the workflow solution is a web-based solution for us, and you can upload jobs using either a web form. You could use a bulk Excel file in case you want to upload. You could use web services to generate jobs into our tool. You could even use an email adapter. So in case you have email box where a lot of emails are coming and they're structured. There are certain keywords you could use. You could use that to integrate with our job engine to sort of create tasks which you can manage later. So one important element is, the bulk upload feature. So you must have been seeing the commercial tools which you have. We definitely call ourselves the simplest Excel upload in my in this tool, and you will gradually see that over my videos how easy it is to design a process and upload an Excel file. There's another key factors which is there is the way you will allocate the job. So obviously, once you are able to digitize your number of items into the queue, you would want to also control how they're assigned. You would want to control the skills they're assigned. Maybe it's a payroll process. Within that payroll process, there are certain high or critical tasks which you want to be done. Maybe it's because it's based on an amount value, it's a date, it's a client name. In our tool, you can use our interface and quickly design those skills and groups and logics. You can create a mathematical criteria, which we call ourselves the blended priority score, where you could create combination of multiple factors which are involved in allocation of a specific task, and then load that rule into our product. So this is a couple of the key points which give you a flavor of what the tool is supposed to be doing. Now, why is it so different than other products? In case you see the market products, they're definitely designed for large scale, thousands and millions of records. So if you're like an Amazon, you would probably want a product which can handle billions of transactions a minute. But if you go back and see your current challenge, maybe you don't have a billion records. Maybe you have 10,000 records, a week which you want to digitize. You have a client tool which gives you some element of reporting in workflow, but not all of the features truly help you identify what is the level one, two, three of that transaction, and thereby you are enabled to sort of meet customers, cycle time, quality, AHT metrics. So these are some of the challenges which you might see. If you actually go to the market for a simple workflow solution, you might end up paying millions because these products are extremely complex and they have been developed for years. People have needlessly complicated workflow. You would have to buy a lot of middleware products like WebLogic and whatnot to sort of design the business architecture, which will design the rules. You'll have to hire a lot of people. Your IT teams will ask lot of budgets for it. In most cases, whenever you will go with a smaller business problem, where you have 10, 15,000 rows a week or more, where you probably want to just create a simple workflow, you will probably not have a ROI prepared. And that's one of the key reasons why you should use a ProHance score as our solution. So we are extremely visit based. One of the key differentiators of this tool is that you don't need any complex level to process maps. You don't need to have your teams certified over some modeling tool, your SMEs can just simply come over and learn this product and create the workflows using our custom wizards, which are extremely business language oriented. So you don't need IT teams to maintain. If you want to simply add a text field tomorrow, you want to move the add another state, you want to create one more unique number, all of that can be done in minutes. The fact is, the tool is extremely easy to maintain. Before you go, I want to also explain how the tool sort of works. In our entire workflow design, we have a four piece concept, which is design, upload, allocate, and manage. In the first process in our product, you will be designing your workflow. There's something called as process definitions. As you will see in my other videos, you will see how they work. They're all wizards which you have to create. You have to create the processes, the different states, the different fields which would be part of those states. Once you do that, you have to then link it with the upload. So how would the jobs come? Would it come using email? Would you use an Excel upload? Would you use an API? Or if your process is too simple, maybe it's just a web form which you need to bring on the job. Once you do that, the question is, how do you allocate? Like I was saying, it's important to create multiple allocation logics, and that's where our tool is really great. You could have certain keywords kept in your job dictionary, as we call it, specific words, specific fields. It could be a client, it could be an amount. You will have to create your own allocation logic using our wizards. And once you do that, the last stage of our workflow is simply managing your queues. So as your queues get digitized instead of paper and emails, you will see a whole lot of queue management coming up. You can bulk transport your transactions. You can bulk manage. In today's work from home scenarios, where team managers are working tirelessly to get an update on how the jobs can be tracked, we have digital dashboards which show you, even in a work from home scenario, how many transactions are being done, what is the average HT, what is the typical time and motion which you want to call it. So our tool is extremely designed from ease of use. I would really be happy to show you a personal video. And if you're interested, do watch some other videos on how the reports work as well. Thank you so much for your time.